Hello, welcome. As always, thank you for watching. I'm Kurt Bradley and this is The Gentleman's Flavor. In our video today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious cappuccino with a wicked little twist. We're going to unleash the Kraken. We're making a Kraken spiced rum infused cappuccino. To do this today, we're bringing in our resident barista from The Gentleman's Flavor, Mike, to throw it all together. Cheers.
Hey everybody, I'm Mike, your resident in-house barista from The Gentleman's Flavor. Today I'm going to be making you a Kraken spiced rum infused cappuccino. Let's get started. Alright, so we got to put this drink together. Today, obviously, we're going to be using some espresso beans. Here we've got the Pilot Heritage Roast beans that we're using. These are kind of like a mild to medium roast that any coffee shop would be serving up. Next, we're going to be obviously using some whole milk. We're going to froth that up. We are going to be using the Kraken spiced rum. And last but not least, we're going to be using some cinnamon. So for you gearheads out there, you're wondering, what is all this stuff behind me thing? Over here to my left is the Mazzer mini grinder. This is a fur grinder. It's from Italy. Most coffee shops will carry this particular grinder, but just in a larger version. This is like the gold standard of grinder machines. Next, this is the La Marzocco Linea Mini espresso machine. It's from Italy as well. This is kind of like the Cadillac. Actually, no, you know what? This is the Ferrari of espresso coffee machines. If you can get your hands on one of these, you'll have this machine for life. And then last but not least, to make the drink, we're using this is the Lunar Acai scale. And if I just turn this on, what this is going to do is it's going to measure the weight of the espresso shot and how much time is going to lapse while we're going through it during the extraction process. So really good scale as well. All right, hey, what are we waiting for? Let's put this baby together.
Booyah!
So first, we're going to get our portafilter. We're going to clean this puppy out, make sure it's nice and clean. Purge the line. And we're going to fill up our coffee grinder. So we are going to get 36 grams of coffee grounds for our espresso. The Kraken rum. What is a Kraken anyway? Like, is it a mythological creature? Is it just like a really big octopus? Maybe you guys can leave a comment in the video and let me know what a Kraken is. Alright, so now we're going to do our tamp, and basically we're just going to be applying 30 pounds of pressure with our arm, just like this. And now we've got our portafilter nice and ready for your guns. Okay, so next step is preparing our pitcher. You want to use a stainless steel pitcher just like this. And just a reminder, we're using whole milk. This is also known as homogenized milk. Fill it up about halfway. And then, can't forget the Kraken spiced rum. Add a shot of this into the pitcher before we froth the milk. Alright. Okay, so now the magic begins. Put this in here. Now using our scale, we're going to keep an eye on the weight of the shot and the time. We want to do a shot that's going to last about 20 to 30 seconds of extraction, and it's got to weigh 36 grams. So here we go. And while that's happening, I'm going to be frothing the milk over here. We're going to do this for about 15 seconds. We start off with a nozzle just above the milk line, and then we're going to drop it underneath. And with your other hand, you can kind of feel the heat here and decide how hot you want to let that milk go. So we're going to put that down, and then as we can see, we're about to hit 36 seconds, so there we go. And you want to clean this right away. Alright, so now for the finished product, we are going to give this pitcher just a little tap, a little bit of a swirl, and that when you're pouring your milk, you want to start high and you want to finish low. So, oh boy, I can really smell that cracking. Oh, this is looking beautiful. The whole milk makes it really creamy. And there we go. Look at that. Boom. Last but not least, our cinnamon. Cinnamon goes really well with spice rum. And there you have it. You've got your Kraken spice rum infused cappuccino. Enjoy. Hey everyone, just want to let you know, you don't have to have the equipment that we've got back here. You can make this at home just using any sort of home espresso machine, as long as you've got something that will make the espresso shot and then froth the milk separately.
Beauty. Well, I guess that's all the time that we've got. I want to start enjoying my cappuccino right now. It smells like Kraken spiced rum. It smells delicious. Hey, as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like us, subscribe. Until next time, I'm Kurt and this is Mike.
And you've been watching The Gentleman's Flavor.
Cheers.